We have a visitor. I'm not sure what she sees in the bird seed, but hey. She got a peanut? She's gonna take off down the hill with a peanut. Okay, I've never seen a fox eat a peanut before. Gotta be hungry. There she comes. Om nom nom. Om nom. Well, look at those little feet. We decided to name her Pepper because she keeps showing up at the bird feeder. We decided once she showed up twice that she had to get a name. If I can get a picture of her feet. Look at that. Retractable. Semi-retractable. Sorry, I'm shaking. An adorable little foxy. Pepper the gray fox. The foxy fox. Is it the same fox? Well, let's see. Let's zoom in. Yeah, I think she's lactating. So yeah, same fox. Looks like her kits have worn her tummy out. Says, I don't got any hair left there. It must be getting big. I think I'll try to take some stills now.